Hi there! So, this is our first travel vlog in our channel, and here we are going to share everything that we did in Osaka, Japan. This is actually our first time in Japan, and we went there as a whole family. And fortunately, maganda naman yung nakuha naming Airbnb because bukod sa mura siya, malaki pa yung mismong apartment. It is a 3-bedroom apartment. And we are a total of 6, so napaka-spacious talaga ng area. The name of the Airbnb is Awasa House 2. For a 3-bedroom apartment for 7 nights, yan lang ang binayaran namin doon. And ang maganda pa dito sa Airbnb na ito is napakalapit niya sa train station, Osaka Metro if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So it's Awasa Station, and in front of the entrance of the train station, nando naman si Family Mart kung saan kami nagpunta to buy our breakfast. So this is a DIY trip, and halos lahat ng attractions and passes namin kinuha lang namin sa Klook. Like this first one, we went to Osaka Castle, which nakuha namin dun sa Osaka 1-day pass namin, so that we get to visit the different attractions, like 40 attractions ang meron included dito. But on top of that, you also get unlimited rides from trains and buses. I'll be honest with you kasi kami, since it's our first time, medyo nahirapan talaga kami to navigate the train system. But, nag-Google Maps lang kami and nagtanong-tanong kami. Japanese people are really very friendly, so kung nawawala ka, they will really exert effort to help you out so that you can get to the places where you want to go. Osaka is a large port city and commercial center on the Japanese island of Honshu. It is known for its modern architecture, nightlife, and of course, street food. Kung ang tanong nyo naman is how much ba ang pagkain sa Osaka, Japan? Well, it really depends kasi kung saan kayo kakain. Let's say, for example, if you're a fan of street food, which is, very significant, it's a significant part of Osaka's culinary, siguro you can expect around 500 to 1,000 yen per person, and that includes siguro yung mga snacks. Snacks would range from 500 to 900 yen. But kung let's say you'll do a more casual dining, it would range from 2,000 to 5,000 yen per person. If you're traveling with teenagers like me, I'm telling you, they will really enjoy the Namba area kasi napakadaming arcades doon, and I'm telling you, mabubudol talaga kayo sa kakalaro dito. So Going back to food, ito yung resto kung saan mo makikita si Spider-Man. Hindi naman kasi namin nasali si Kobe sa itinerary namin. That's why we just decided to try the famous Kobe beef here. And it's a 5-star resto, so please expect around mga 5K or more per person. So after exploring the Dotonbori, Shinsaibashi area, and Namba area, we are now ready for our Kyoto tour. So our Kyoto tour, I got it also from Klook kasi feeling ko mas makakamura kami dito, and like what I said, being our first time to visit Japan, so hindi pa kami masyado marunong to navigate the train system and all. So dito kasi sa tour na ito na nakuha namin sa Klook, pinick up kami sa hotel namin so we can explore the different areas in Kyoto. So according to our tour guide, if Osaka has a very diverse culture, Kyoto naman is more on the traditional side. So Kyoto, once the capital of Japan, is a city on the island of Honshu. It is famous for its numerous classic Buddhist temples as well as gardens, imperial palaces, and shrines. So dito nyo lahat yon makikita. It is also known for its formal traditions such as the kaisekai dining, consisting of multiple courses of precise dishes and geisha. So dito nyo yon makikita. So, after nung Kyoto tour namin, next day na ito, we availed again yung Osaka Day Pass. And dito nga nagkamali-mali kami, but still, charged to experience. But still, we were able to visit the attractions. Remember a while ago, when you purchased the Osaka Day Pass, you'll be able to visit 40 plus attractions like the Umeda Sky Building, the HEP 5 Ferris wheel. Marami ka talagang mapupuntahan doon. But we tried to maximize it by, visiting some kasi hindi talaga kaya i-visit all in one day. But of course, we enjoyed everything. So lahat ng binisit namin, okay sila lahat. So after a long day, we went back to the Airbnb and we explored the neighborhood. And ang maganda doon, sa likod pala namin, we have a supermarket, and it's not just a small supermarket, malaki talaga siya. And na-enjoy ko naman doon yung makita, yung mga prices, like what do the Japanese buy on a daily basis. So lahat nandun. And then, since pagod na yung mga bata, we just decided to buy some stuff dun sa supermarket for our dinner. Nakakatuwa talagang tignan yung different items doon kasi these are items that you don't normally see here sa atin. And of course, hindi makukompleto ang Osaka trip namin if hindi kami pupunta sa Universal Studios Japan. So, this is one of the highlights of our trip. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito, and again, our tickets, we got it from Klook ahead of time para hindi kami mahirapan sa pagpila kasi when we got there, sobrang haba talaga ng pila dun sa ticketing booth nila. So para makaiwas sa ganung hassle and we can just go straight to enter the park, make sure to get your tickets from Klook ahead of time. Have it printed out or yung QR nasa phone nyo, okay na yun. And if you're gonna ask me kung worth it pa pumunta sa USJ, definitely my answer is yes. kapag kayo ay pupunta ng Osaka, this is a must visit because you'll get to explore a lot of things here. You get to feel a different vibe here. Like, for example, me, I'm a real Harry Potter fan because I'm a millennial mom. Though hindi siya masyado naiintindihan ng mga bata because it's not within their generation. Ako naman, I get to enjoy this place. Like, I was able to see Hedwig, I was able to see Buckbeak, yung platform 3/4, and you know, yung Diagon Alley and everything. You'll also get to taste butterbeer here. Though hindi ko siya masyado nagustuhan kasi sobrang tamis, okay na rin. It's for the experience. Pero syempre, nag-enjoy din ng sobra ang mga bata because they are really on for yung mga scary rides. Ako kasi, I'm not really into it. Natatakot ako sa mga roller coasters and everything. But we tried some. Kami ng mother ko and ng partner ko. So we tried yung mga 3D o yung mga walang mga bagsak-bagsak, yung mga ganon. So we just tried that. But the kids, they tried everything. Pagdating naman sa food, well, yes, you can expect it to be a little bit expensive pagdating sa loob ng USJ compared to the ones outside. So, ayun, medyo aalat lang kayo ng budget for this one. So, that's just about it. Yan yung mga ginawa namin sa trip namin in Osaka. So, again, we went there as a family of 6. And lahat kami adults. If you want to know how much we have spent there, I'll put it in the comment section para makita nyo, or rather dun sa description ng video, so that you'll have an idea of how much budget do you need pag kayo ay pupunta ng Osaka with a family of 6 at DIY siya. Thank you for watching, everyone. Till our next video.